Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And welcome to another Amazon haul video. So, yes, guys, in this haul, I'm gonna show you how to get this glowing skin just like me. Since I get a lot of queries regarding my glowing skin, so today I'm going to share my secret with you guys. I'm not going to gatekeep anymore. So, yes, guys, now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, but before we move forward, I just want to inform you guys that the countdown is on. Amazon Prime Day sale is almost here, guys, and get ready to grab up to 70% off on beauty and fashion. So, yes, guys, don't miss the 10th year anniversary deals. It's going to be bigger and better than ever. And yes, guys, Prime Day starts from 4th of July, which is tomorrow. Yes, guys, another thing is that in this haul, I'm going to show you what are the new skincare products that I have added in my skincare routine. So now starting with the first item. So the first item that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da, this Wonder Toner. Guys, I love this toner. It helps in nourishing and moisturizing your skin, and it is for dry skin especially. The quantity of this product is so good, but it is not travel friendly. So because of that, I have this mini bottle as well. So yes, guys, this is the one. This is the first item that I have with me, and I absolutely love it. And for this toner, you can see the size, right? For this one, after getting offer, it just cost me 1092 rupees, and I think 1092 it is a steal deal because you are sorted for almost 6 months, half a year. Okay, so yes, guys, this is the first item. So now moving towards another item. So another item that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da! Guys, I have this toner right here. It is from the brand Skin 1004, and I love this serum. It is a tone brightening capsule ampule. Like absolutely love it. This is my second purchase. मैंने पहला trial के लिए छोटू में लिया था, and छोटू में it will cost you around 800 and something after offer Amazon पे. अभी तो मेगा सेल भी आ रहा है, तो आपको और ज्यादा ऑफर में मिल जाएगा. So yes, guys, this is the one that I have with me. You can see that I just absolutely love this one. Trial try करके मुझे इतना पसंद आया कि मैंने ये बड़ा वाला में ले लिया. You can see that it helps you brightening your skin for sure, guys, and who don't love bright skin. So yes, guys, this is the another skincare item, or you can say serum, that I've added in my skincare routine. Its original price is 2249 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 1516 rupees, and I think in 1516 it is a steal deal. Okay, so now moving towards another item and the best purchase so far. So the item that I'm talking about is, ta-da, guys, 345 cream. This Dr. Althea 345 cream. Like, this cream have my heart. It is relief cream, okay, and it works wonders, guys. You can use this in your AM and PM routine, but sometimes I use this as moisturizer and sometimes I use this as night cream because I absolutely love it. It has this amazing texture to it, especially for hydrating and calming your skin. So obviously night में भी आप apply करोगे तो इसको बड़ा अच्छा result मिलेगा आपको. So yes, guys, this is the one, and it is so viral on internet, so I had to get it. So but this is my second purchase, okay, because I loved it so much. Though थोड़ा expensive and में ही इसका original price is 2500 something है, but after sale it cost me 2192 rupees, and I think in 2192 it is a great deal. Highly recommended, guys. Highly recommended, and it is for all skin types. Okay, so now moving towards another item, the most important part of our skincare routine is our sunscreen. So the item that I have with me and I have been using it and I absolutely love is sunscreen from Beauty of Jason. I don't know which tube is this one, but I think it's fourth or fifth tube that I've ordered. Absolutely love it. The texture of this sunscreen is absolutely amazing. So light on my skin, and it is like so soothing, and it suits me so well. And it has SPF 50 plus PA plus plus plus. So yes, guys, this is the one, but थोड़ा सा expensive end में है. इसका भी original price थोड़ा expensive ही है, but after sale it cost me 1300 rupees. So I think in 1300 थोड़ा सा expensive है, but थोड़ा इतना लगाने से ही आपको हो जाएगा. You don't have to apply too much, okay? So yes, guys, this is another item which is also highly recommended. So now moving towards another item. So this is another dark spot correcting glow serum which I have from Axis Y. So you can see the tube is almost empty now, and it is a dark correcting glow serum. Effective इतना ज़्यादा नहीं लगा, but I think it works. okay, though I don't have much dark spots, but still इतना ज़्यादा effective तो मुझे नहीं लगा, but also you can give it a shot, or maybe I couldn't feel the difference, but आप try कर सकते हो. I'll give this 6 out of 10, but ये थोड़ा सा expensive side में है. Its original price is almost 1600-1700 rupees, but मैंने sale में इसको 800 something में लिया था. So yes guys, this is the another item which you can add in your skincare routine. Moving towards our last skincare item. So the last skincare item that I have with me is, ta-da! Guys, this is Professional O3 Plus Blueberry D10 face mask. I love face mask, like, because face mask have my heart, because हफ्ते में 2 बार तो I prefer to use it with the face sheet because I have dry skin. So yes guys, this is from the brand Professional O3 Plus, and I have heard good reviews about this product, इसलिए मैंने लिया है, and I have applied it for 4-5 times, and I absolutely love it. It works guys, it works. You can see the size of this product is like so much. It has this blueberry to it, and then it is 300 gram, and its original price is 1550 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 1100 rupees. So yes guys, looking into the quantity and the item and the quality of the product, I absolutely love it. If you're also looking for good D10 face masks, this is it guys, this is it. The brand itself is very good, and they have really good items. So yes guys, you can give it a try. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So ये थोड़ा intimate hygiene का product है. So the item that I have with me is, ta-da, guys, this Sanfe का instant tan and dead skin removal exfoliating gel. It helps remove your dead skin and detan and brightening, as I already told you, and it has instant tan cure, reveals fresh complexion, exfoliates old dead cells. So yes guys, you have to use this in your intimate areas. If you have dark intimate areas, you can go with it. I think it does work, but it will take time. So this is my first packet. I have to go with another one. So yes, I think it works, but इतना ज़्यादा आपको constant result नहीं मिलेगा, but result जरूर मिलेगा. And I think it's okay to give it a shot because it is not that expensive also. Okay, so its original price is 399, and on sale it just cost me 299, and I think in 299 it's okay because it does work constantly nahi or instantly nahi, but it takes time. Okay, so yes guys, if you are looking for some good instant tan and dead skin removal gel, this is the one, because I love to use Sanfe products especially for intimate areas. So yes guys, this is the another item, and I highly recommend you guys. Okay, so now moving towards our last item. ये item मैंने इतना ज़्यादा hype इसके बारे में सुना है from creators, from my friends, and this is for your hair. Okay, so the item that I have with me is, ta-da, sorry, this is the Indie Wild Chumpy Hair Oil, because I saw many creators using this one, and even from my friend I heard this one. So मैंने इसको खोला भी नहीं है guys, and I have ordered in the smallest size because मेरे को try करना था पहले कि ये काम करता है या नहीं करता है, और just the hype. So मैंने अभी use नहीं किया है, as you can see that, because अभी इसको delivery हुआ है. This is the smallest packet. So look at the size, it's so small, right? So I really wanted to try this because मैंने इसका hype बहुत सुना है. So even for this small size, it cost me 355 rupees. Okay, so I think according to the price, इतना छोटा bottle का भी, तो I think it does work, इसलिए इतना expensive है इतना छोटू bottle के लिए भी लिए, but hair fall के लिए or for your better hair growth, this is the one guys, and I hope it works. So let me see how does it work, because पैसा तो पड़ा है. So yes guys, this is the last item. This is the new product that I've added in my skincare, or you can say in my routine. Okay, so yes guys, this is the last item. Yes guys, please do let me know in the comment box below how did you like this video, and all the links to the products is in the description box below. And yes guys, the Prime Day will start from tomorrow, that is 4th of July. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.